Hello friends, welcome to Java tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to study about the thread. In our normal life, we are doing multitask simultaneously. In similar way, Java program can run two or more processes concurrently. This process is called multithreading. Each part of such a program is called thread. Now, let's go through the thread. The thread runs independently or along with other threads to execute a task. It is a sequence of execution within a program. Java program must have at least a single thread to execute the process. Java runtime system depends on the thread, but the working of thread depends on thread's lifecycle. Now let's take a look at the thread lifecycle. Thread may be in any of the state like ready state, running state, waiting state or dead state. First, ready state. If thread is ready to execute, it means it's in ready state. When thread gets access of CPU, then it turns from ready state to running state. Next, waiting state. Sometimes thread wait for some actions. When that actions are completed, then thread can be run. Thread may be in sleeping or suspended or blocked state. It is called waiting state. Running state. Thread is running through CPU. When thread gets access of CPU, at that time thread is in running state. Dead state. When the running process of thread is completed, that means thread in dead state. Thread and throwable class contains many methods. Here this is the list of methods. GetName. GetName is used to get the name of thread. GetPriority is used to get the priority of thread. IsAlive is used to check whether the thread is alive. Join is used to wait for terminate. Run method. This is the entry point of thread from which thread is executing. Sleep. Sleep is used to suspend for period of start. It is used to call the run method. Now let's take a look how to create thread using extending class. Here is the steps. First, creating new class that extends thread. Second, creating an object for that class. Third, then overrides the method run, which is the entry of new thread. Then it calls the method start to begin the new thread. This is the simple structure of thread. Here the public is keyword, thread is keyword, thread name is the name of thread which belongs to string. To clear your idea about thread, let's go through the example. This is the example of thread. Here the class thread1 is extending class thread. Means thread1 is subclass of thread class. Here the run method which is used to execute the thread. The main code of thread is inside in run method. This is the for loop which prints this statement from 0 to 5. This is our main class. Here T1 is the object of thread1 class, which is the thread. Now to call our run method of thread class, we have to use start method. T1.start is used to call the run method of thread class. Now our thread is executing. So let's check the output. Let's run our program. While running our program, thread is working. Here, these statements come from the run method. So, I hope now you have clear idea about thread.